Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. One of the favorite plants that we have as an herb is that of dill. Now, we all love dill pickles, but you might not know that you can easily grow dill in your own backyard garden. It's a plant that actually gets to be fairly large. Now, you'll normally buy it as a fairly small plant to start off as a little seedling, or you can actually start it from seed. It'll usually start in probably about 2 to 3 weeks. You can put it in a peat, perlite type combination. Remember that dill likes a good amount of light, so don't put it in the shadiest spot of your yard or garden. Also make sure it has a good source of water. Now, the dill can be used in a number of different ways. We think of dill's pickles, but also you could cut fresh dill and use it with potatoes and many other dishes as well, sometimes fish and sometimes pork also. When you think about dill, make sure that you have it in an area where you can keep it moist. Make sure it gets about 6 hours of bright sun a day, and you're going to have it mostly during the spring, summer, maybe early fall. It's not one that normally does too well during the winter season. But dill's going to add a lot to your palate and also to your garden. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.